Hi, I'm Stephanie from Home with Stefani, and I love my Tough Shed. I chose Tough Shed because of their quality product. I looked into a few different shed companies. I even considered building the shed myself. It would have taken me a long time, lots of extra manpower, because that's something I for sure wouldn't be able to do by myself. I saw that Tough Shed had a local factory, which was huge. Their product speaks for itself. It's so high quality. I don't think anything compares to the experience that you get at Tough Shed. Seeing the materials in the factory was a game changer, just seeing how they assembled everything, and so cool to see like the behind the scenes of how this huge truss was made in the factory. Tough Shed offers a few different truss types, and I really wanted my Tough Shed to feel as big as possible and as tall as possible, so I decided to go with the scissor trusses, which was a little bit more intricate with the angles. After going through the factory and seeing the process, I was super impressed with how organized and high speed everything was. I'm prior military and things are done, to the book. It was really cool to see how organized their process was in the factory. It was really impressive to see the scale of the walls that they were putting together. I was kind of expecting smaller chunks that were maybe lighter and more manageable, but they had a huge wall out there on the work table. They took a router and just routed off the siding, which is really cool to see. And within minutes, you see an entire wall stand up, and they checked every inch for any imperfections. And it's just crazy to see how fast that comes together. You could tell that they really take the time to do that quality control. The prefabbers were awesome. They were so knowledgeable. You could tell that they take pride in the work that they do. It was really cool to just see a tiny glimpse of the hard work and dedication that they put into each and every Tough Shed. Seeing the kit at the end of the tour, it was crazy to think that my huge 16 by 22 foot shed was consolidated into a tiny little kit. Seeing that, I know that install is going to go fast because how organized and neat everything was packaged up. Everything just looks so sturdy and durable, and I know it's going to stand the test of time.